Hey there, my name's Amene. This is my 2021 Tacoma, and it has a homegrown electrical system with a 280 amp hour LiTime battery, LiFePO4. The battery here, it fits right behind the passenger seat of the Tacoma and goes all the way across the seat there, which is crazy. Together, so we have, you know, your 60 watt output USB-C here. We also have a 375 watt inverter, and then like a really simple shunt here. But then the guts are inside, which I can show you now. After building this thing, it's been totally solid. The battery performance has been totally solid. The great thing I like about the LiTime battery is that you can get large capacities. So this battery will last me a day and a half of full-on activity. So that's the refrigerator, that's my Starlink, that's my laptop. I have 300 watts on the roof, so it takes a pretty long time before I need to like be concerned about draining the battery. So I've been using this particular setup for probably a year and a few months now, and it's been rock solid. I haven't had any problems.
Hello, I'm Scott, and we just installed two LiTime batteries, the Mini 100 batteries, finished about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And we've been running a test run now, and they're matching exactly what we had hoped they would do. We run our gas furnace, it's a diesel furnace off of it, and all our lighting and refrigeration. We have 2 refrigerators that we power with it, as well as outlets for recharging phones and laptops, etc. So far it's met our needs completely.